Hello students. So today I am going to teach adjectives to the students of standard 5. So this is lesson number 7 adjectives. It is in page number 39. Now see, what is an adjective? Children, in your previous chapter, in lesson number 5, you learned about subject and predicate. So, how a sentence can be divided into subject and predicate. Now, in this chapter, you will learn about adjectives. Now, what is an adjective? Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. They describe the noun in the sentence. Like, see, a hot day. So, day is noun over here. Now, hot. Hot tells you about day. So, the word hot describes day in this. So, hot is adjective. Similarly, like suppose green trees. So, what kind of trees? Green. So, green is again adjective. Or black bears. So, what kind of bears? Black bears. So, black is adjective. Now, instead of this, anything else can also be there. Like suppose 5 trees. So, how many trees are there? 5. So, 5 is adjective. Okay. Like suppose bears. Suppose 10 bears. How many bears are there? 10. So, 10 will be adjective. So, the word which describes the noun, okay, or a pronoun. Now, when you come to the definition of adjectives, you can see adjectives are words that describe, identify, or further define. Now, what do you mean by this word? Adjective are words that describe. So, it tells you more about the noun or the pronoun. Identify or further define. That means it tells you more about the noun or the pronoun. Now, here you see adjectives usually come before the nouns. So, usually you will find adjectives just before the noun. But it is not any hard and fast rule that adjectives will always be there before the noun. Okay, they describe, but they can also come after the nouns. Like suppose in these sentences, if we write the day was hot. So, what kind of day it was? The day was hot. So, hot tells you here about day. Now, hot is adjective over here. So, children, don't just see that the word which will be before the noun or the pronoun that will become adjective. No, try to understand. It tells you, it describes the adjectives. The trees were green. So, green tells you about trees. So, green is again adjective over here. The bears were black. So, black again tells you about the bear. So, same with the things you can write in this way also. Here you can see adjective comes just after the noun is over, in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. It can come anywhere, but usually most often it comes just before the noun. So children, I hope you can understand what is an adjective. First of all, you try to understand the word adjective. Then after that, we'll see the different types of adjectives one by one. So like you see, the first one is adjective of quality. Now the word quality itself means what kind of. Okay, noun or pronoun it is. Like see, they tell us about the shape, size, color or special quality of the noun. The answer to the question what kind. So here they answer the question what kind. Like when you ask here hot sun, what kind of sun it is? Hot. So hot is adjective of quality. What kind of cups? Blue cups. So blue is adjective of quality. What kind of pen? Red pen. So red is again adjective of quality. So here when you ask the question what kind, the answer you get, that is adjective of quality. It tells you about the quality of the noun. Okay. So this is adjective of quality. Now next one comes adjective of quantity. Now when you talk about adjective of quantity, the word quantity itself means like how much. Here you will get the answer of how much of something is there. Like they tell us about the quantity or how much of something is there. How much? Suppose some coffee. So how much coffee? Some coffee. So some is adjective of quantity. Like how much food? So little food. So little is adjective of quantity. Now these are also the words which can be used in adjective of quantity like some, much, many, enough, little, etc. Many more are there. Now one thing you try to remember, there's this adjective of quantity are used with uncountable nouns. You have read about countable and uncountable nouns, no? Nouns that can be counted, like suppose pen, pencil, trees, so they can be counted. So with all those you cannot use adjective of quantity. But like coffee cannot be counted. Food cannot be counted. So with these uncountable nouns we use adjective of quantity. Now come to the third one, adjective of number. Now what does adjective of number tells us? Adjective of number gives us the answer of how many. How many of something is there. Okay, how many. Here you can count. Now they tell us about the position of a noun in a series also. Like which one? First one, second one, third. Position of a noun in a series means first one, second one, third one, fourth one, 10th one, like that. Or how many persons, animals or things are there? Are there? Like see, how many cat? One cat. So you get the answer of how many. So one cat. So one is adjective of number. Like which bench? First bench. Okay, so where the bench is? So this first tells you, here the first tells you the position of this bench in a series. So benches are kept like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now we are talking about the first bench. So here first is adjective of number. Still we have many more examples also like all, several, many, few, these all. So these all words are also used as adjective of number. Now here also one thing you will remember, this adjective of number is used with countable nouns. Here I told you that adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. But here adjective of number is used with countable nouns. I hope you can understand. Countable nouns like cat you can count, so one cat. So this is adjective of number. First bench, okay, so first you can count here. So this bench you can count, so here it is adjective of number. So for today you will remember these three different kinds of adjective. So first I taught you what is adjective. First try to understand. Okay, adjectives are describing words. It tells you about the noun or the pronoun which is used in the sentence. Now adjective of quality, it tells you what kind of noun or pronoun. Here adjective of quantity tells you how much of something, and adjective of number tells you how many of something, or what is the position of the noun in a series. So these three you will learn the definitions also. 4 definitions you will learn from here. What is an adjective you have in your book. Like see, this definition you will learn. What is an adjective? You will give an example. Similarly, what is adjective of quality? You will learn and give an example. And then adjective of quantity. Here you will learn the definition, give an example, and then here adjective of number you will learn and give an example here. Now see here, after doing this whatever I said, you will try to do yourself exercise A and B, which is in page number 40 and 41 in your book itself. So till then, goodbye and thank you.